Hello, Lucas. Your question is asking you to use the trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule to find an estimate for the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of the function cube root of 1 plus cosine of x dx. Okay? Now, Simpson's rule states that if you want to approximate the integral from a to b of some function f of x dx, that's going to be approximately equal to delta x over 2 times f of x sub 0 plus 2 times f of x sub 1 plus dot 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 plus 2 times f of x sub n minus 1 and then plus f of x sub n, okay? Where delta x is defined as b minus a over n, and x sub I is equal to a plus I delta x. So in your problem, you were told that we're going to use n as 4. Okay? So here we can see that therefore delta x will be by definition b, which is pi over 2, minus a, 0, over n, which is 4. Pi over 2 minus 0 is pi over 2, divided by 4 is pi 8. Okay. Moreover, x sub I is a, which is 0, okay, plus I delta x. And delta x we just found it to be pi 8. Okay. In other words, x sub I is I times pi 8. Okay. Therefore, x sub 0 will just be 0 times pi 8, which is 0. X sub 1 is 1 times pi 8, which is pi 8. X sub 2 is 2 times pi 8, which is 2 pi 8. You can reduce it to pi 4, that's fine. X sub 3 is 3 times pi 8, 3 pi over 8. And finally, x sub 4 is 4 times pi 8, which is 4 pi 8. And you can reduce that to pi over 2. So now we apply Simpson's rule and say that the integral from 0, the trapezoidal rule. This is the trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule. And so 0 to pi over 2 of the cube root of 1 plus cosine of x dx is therefore approximately equal to delta x over 2. So that's pi over 8 over 2, right? Times f of x of 0 is 0, f of 0, plus 2 times f of x sub 1. X sub 1 is pi 8. Plus 2 times f of 2 pi 8 plus 2 times f of 3 pi 8, and then lastly plus f of 4 pi 8. Okay. And so this reduces to pi over 8 divided by 2 is pi 16. Okay. And f of 0 is cube root of 1 plus cosine of 0, okay, plus 2 times cube root 1 plus cosine of pi 8 plus 2 times cube root of 1 plus cosine of 2 pi 8 plus 2 times the cube root of 1 plus cosine of 3 pi 8. And then lastly, plus the cube root of 1 plus cosine of 4 pi 8. And when you plug this into a calculator, you're going to get that this is approximately 1.838967, up to 5 decimal places. Anyways, hope this helps. Good luck. And obviously I have no time for the Simpsons rule, but it's done in a similar fashion, although the definition is a little different.